Hi viewers. Next topic, CTET paper 1, Heredity and Environment. In the CDP topic, best explanation, paper 1, again repeated. CTET paper 1, Heredity and Environment in CDP topic, best explanation. Topic is influence of heredity environment. The 6 topics given in this video. First one, heredity environment. Heredity means every human being born of the result conception which takes place due to certain biological factor and process. Environment is nothing but the sum total of the surroundings in which individual has to live. Psychologically, environment is related to stimulate facts from the movements, fertilization of till death. Heredity environment play important role in the child growth development. In the nature, strong influence physical development. Nature in surrounding and influence child. The physical makeup that a child inherit from the parents, here family, school, labor and media, etc. And heredity and environment role. Next, how do twins mate? 3 types: fraternal twins, identical twins, semi-identical twins. Identical twins and fraternal twins. Significance of heredity and environment. Totally biological, transmit factor, conditions of stimulative behavior, about modification of behavior, equally essential of growth and development child. Multiplication between heredity and environment is dual. Next one, topic, medial law of the inherent. This is 3 types: segregation, independent assortment, dominance. Segregation, inherent trying to define the gain pair. Independence, genes different strains in the sort separately. Domain, organism with alternate forms of the gene expressed from that dominate. Next one, educational implementation is who is the first man in the education. Reading and writing, this is a continuous process restrained within the school. Gender, restriction of education. Question answers. Notes over question answers. Twin 2 pairs chromosomes, the same male or female, they have known as XX chromosomes. Development, the product of the is heredity and environment. Answer, heredity and environment. Human have pairs on the chromosomes, 23. Answer is 23. In vitro baby body will be girl is it has, as well as same question, XX chromosome but differently asking. Next, 5th one, the traits in the gene that are non-effective in the one generation may appear to the next. This is the principle of segregation of domains. Next, last one, the 2 discrete units inherence discovered by medical way. Answer, Elias. Thank you.